Alright, so today we are changing the oil on a 1997 Honda Accord LX. A couple things you're going to need for this. The drain pan, got a yard sale, $10. The filter wrench, a 17mm socket, 5W30 motor oil depending on what Accord you actually have, and of course the oil filter. Now we already got this jacked up. I had to use this guy, not so fun. Best way to use this guy is under the main jack point, which is right there. Okay, so you see the filter, that's going to be just on the bottom of the driver's side. Pretty much going to be right under your dipstick. Drain bolt's right there. I don't know if you can see it. That's the whole setup there. Do that really quick. Once you get that warmed up, go ahead and take your cap off, and then we're going to go ahead and drain it. See, filled up. Coming to an end. Once we do that, we're going to go ahead and remove the filter. Watch out, the filter is going to have oil in it. Okay, going to grab that filter off. This part sucks, it's cold here in Michigan. And I'm going to get my stuff pretty dirty. There she bursts. That's the filter. And alright, I'm gonna put the drain bolt back on. There's that 80-cent washer. That will help you not torque the shit out of the drain bolt. And I'm just gonna set that in right now so it's not dripping any more oil while I'm working. Alright, so oil's out, filter's off. I'm gonna put that new filter on. And you're gonna wanna lube up the liner with oil. See how hot this is. Okay, the oil's not that hot. Put a little finger in there. Go ahead and just rub it around. This will help so it's not so tight when you take it off next time. And that should be ready to go on. Before I do that, I'm going to clean the surface with a shop towel, or you could use a rag. Anything that's not going to leave anything behind on the surface. And once I do that, I'll get back to put that filter on. We're going to put that filter on now. And the filter is going to just be hand tight. Why? Because that's going to gradually get tighter over time, and you don't want to sit there and be taking forever to get it off. So once it gets snug right about there, go ahead and turn it about a quarter. Right there, should be pretty good. And we're going to check to see if that's leaking afterwards, just in case. Got my 17. It's pretty snug there, and I'm going to give it one more turn. There we go. Alright. Should be able to fill it with oil now. Alright, so now we're filling the oil. This is the oil I got. 5W30 synthetic blend. Fortunately, I couldn't find any conventional oil for this Honda oil. I don't know where to get it, so I settled with the synthetic blend. Now you can see I got 4 quarts. That's what it recommends. And we're going to go ahead and fill that. I got a funnel in here. I probably could pour it without it, but don't want to get everything dirty. Do it a nice slow pour. The slower the better. You don't have to take forever, but the slower the better. I'm going to put that quart in and go ahead and check the bottom. See if anything's leaking already. And we look good. Alright, so we're all filled up. I'm going to put that cap back on. Nice and tight. We're going to start it. And let the oil circulate. Now you might see the sensor come on to the oil. Right there, and that should go away pretty quick. You saw it go away. Okay, we got our oil. We're gonna go ahead and set this back down. And you want to set it down before you check the dipstick, because then it'll be level. If it's not level, you're not gonna get a clear reading. Take this one. And as you can see, I had some blockers back there. You keep that so the car doesn't go back on you. Alright, so we got that off the jacks. She's leveled, and we're going to go ahead and check the oil dipstick to see how she looks. There with the oil.